chains of Babylon stand in the way. From the ghetto streets to the riverside, truth and justice we will never hide. Voices rising like a storm so strong, singing freedom in a rebel song. Walking through the valley of broken dreams, still we fight against the cruel regimes. No more lies and no more fear. The sound of justice drawing near. Hear the guitar cry like a warrior's chant. Truth so sharp, like a lightning strike. Power to the people, rise and unite. Yeah! Freedom burning in the hearts of the people. Fire blazing, make the weak man equal. Stand up tall, let the righteous call. Down with the wicked system once and for all. From Kingston town to the distant shore, the rebel spirit knocking at the door. Stand together hand in hand, justice flowing through the land. Drums of thunder roll tonight, guiding souls toward the light. No chain strong enough to bind a free and fearless mind. Mile of freedom burning in the hearts of the nation. Rise together in a celebration. Truth and love will always stand like a mighty rock across the land. Let the music carry the truth so far, like a shining freedom star. Voices loud, the message clear, justice